Okay, we're working with AutoCAD 2020. I'm going to go ahead and click a new drawing to kind of get it so it starts coming up here. For us to make life a little bit easier, we're going to be working on this specific part right here. This is 207-6-42, the strap. It is 6 inches long, so from here to here is 6 inches. There's 2 radii from the midpoint of this bottom line, which is radii is 1.25 and 1.75. The part is 0.5 thick and it's 2 inches deep. Alright, so we're going to go back into AutoCAD here, kind of get started. We can do things like click front to make life easy. Oops, let's go ahead and switch and go to top. And going to click line right there. We'll go across this way, F8, so the ortho's on. And we will go 6 that way. And go up this way, 0.5, back this way, 6, and C to close. And then we'll click on this center radius and put that right on here, so 1.25, and do another one, the same center point, 1.75. Alright, so at this point we're ready to trim. So I'm going to click trim, right click with the mouse to override, and start just automatically trimming out stuff that we don't want in here. Alright. So that kind of works out pretty good. Instead of doing P-edit, I'm just going to do press pull and go right into the center of this right here and move this up this way 2 inches. So I got the part that I want. I might look at this a little differently. Maybe switch this so we can click on 3D rotate. And watch what happens here when I click this part. I'll click this red one and I'll come down this way. Oops, I don't know what just happened there. I'll click this and come down this way. Maybe go up. That's what I'm going to do. Go up, and it'll place that part there. Notice that if I'm going to click move, I'm going to move this out of the way. The original thing that I drew is here. I don't need that anymore, so I'm just going to do a window around that part, and it's gone. Okay, double click the mouse wheel, right, and this is when we go to save. So save this as your part number. I don't want to save it in my templates. I'm going to go to where I have where I keep all of my stuff, these things here. So this is going to be 206-7. I'm going to overwrite the one I had. Alright, so now my old one's no longer valid. This is the new one that's up to date. So now when I click the print part of it, which is when we'll do this, where we go to DWG to PDF, stick with that. We're going to get extents, center of the plot, fit to paper, should be right. So I click preview. That's right there what I want. That's exactly what you should be looking for. Click plot. And it makes the part for me. I'm going to try to put that in the same exact spot I put the other one. So I have it, and it should come up here. That's what that looks like. So this is what you would submit if you were submitting it in Blackboard or for a test or something like that.